皆さんこんにちは。Hello everyone. Welcome to my lesson. This is the lesson for Hiragana double consonants. So what is double consonants? Double consonants are represented by the small 2 in Hiragana. So when you see the small 2 in a word, it signifies that the following consonant sound will be doubled. So when pronouncing a word with the small 2, you'll pause briefly before saying the following consonant. This pause is almost like a hiccup in the middle of the word. So learning double consonants are important because they help us avoid confusion between similar sounding words. By making the sound stronger and briefer, we can clearly distinguish between words. I will show you some examples to see similar sounding words, but meanings are different. So now let's see the first one. Saka. Saka means slope. This is without a double consonant. On the other hand, saka. Saka with double consonant means writer. When you look at the saka without a double consonant on the left side, it's 2 beats. Saka. On the other hand, with double consonant on the right side, saka is 3 beats. Saka. So let's see more. Kite. Kite means come, te form of kuru, without a double consonant. On the other hand, with double consonant, kite. Kite means stamp. So when you look at the left side without a double consonant, it's 2 beats. Kite. On the right side with double consonant, kite is 3 beats. Kite. So let's see more. Seken. Seken means society. Seken. Seken means soap. So on the left side without double consonant, 3 beats. Seken. On the right side with double consonant, 4 beats. Seken. Now let's see more hiragana double consonants. 学校。学校。学校。びっくり。びっくり。びっくり。よかった。よかった。よかった。そっくり。そっくり。そっくり。立派。立派。立派。きっと。きっと。きっと。こっち。こっち。こっち。I hope you got some ideas of double consonants. You can visit my website that syncs to my YouTube channel, but more organized so you can see where you are learning. Thank you for taking my lesson. I hope you enjoyed. I appreciate your encouragement by subscribing my channel and clicking like button. Any comments regarding my lessons are welcome. I'll see you in other lessons. じゃあまた。